The Association of Corporate Online Editors has felicitated with the Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga, on his well-deserved conferment of the National Honor of Commander of the Order. Onanuga was among several distinguished Nigerians honored by President Bola Tinubu during a joint session of the National Assembly commemorating Democracy Day 2025. ACOE Chairman Omosola Akingboye, in a statement, described the recognition as a testament to Onanuga's outstanding contribution and unwavering dedication to public service. Akingboye prayed for continued success for the presidential spokesman and for his impactful role in fostering peace and national development. He further pledged ACOE's commitment to nurturing a strong media relationship and collaboration with Onanuga's office in the shared vision of building a new Nigeria. CNA News.